World's slimmest phone with curved display is launching on September 4th, 2025. Slim phones are finding their way back into the smartphone timeline. Samsung kicked things off with the Galaxy S25 Edge last year. Apple is preparing to launch the iPhone 17 Air next week, and now Tecno is stepping in with a contender of its own. The company has confirmed it will launch the Pova Slim 5G on September 4th. Tecno is calling it the world's slimmest smartphone with a curved display. The exact dimensions aren't official yet, but earlier this year at MWC, the company showed off a concept device called the Spark Slim that measures just 5.7 mm thick. The Pova Slim looks strikingly similar to that prototype, so it could be that Tecno is turning its concept into a mass-market product under a different name. Even so, it might not take the crown for long. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be even thinner, reportedly coming in at just 5.5 mm. What do we know about Tecno Pova Slim? Not the thickness, but Tecno has shared a few other details about the Pova Slim. It will support AI tools like Circle to Search and the company's own Ella AI assistant, which can handle Indian languages. Incredibly, Tecno also claims that the phone can make calls without a cellular network. Though the catch is that it relies on Bluetooth to connect directly with another device, which only works if it's within range. For everything else, you still get proper 5G connectivity with carrier aggregation. Tecno is also adding some flair to the hardware with a dynamic mood light design, which is LEDs around the rear cameras that can glow when you want them to. And despite its thin frame, the Pova Slim 5G is expected to pack a sizable 5000 mAh battery, according to earlier reports.